Hi everyone, this is the second part of lecture 20. I'll talk about triggers. Trigger gives us a great chance to create specialized effects. Let's see what we create first. We will create a slide like this. Trigger is clicking on the picture in the slide. Let's click and see. Yes, I click on the picture, then the animation starts and the other picture on behind can be seen. If I click any other place, no animation starts, it skips the slide. You see. Let's turn back and try the other pictures. Click on the picture and the animation is getting active. And like this. But if I click somewhere else, it skips the slide. I mean, trigger provides us getting active the animations only if trigger is used. This is our blank slide. Let's create the same slide. First, I need to insert my pictures. Go to Insert and Pictures. These are my pictures. Select the first one and put it on the left and do the same thing for the others. Selecting the pictures and distribute them horizontally. Now I need to insert the other pictures in front of them. Let's go to Insert and Pictures and select the other pictures and put them on the previous pictures. Alright, inserting exit animations now. Select my first picture and go to Animation tab, and I need to add exit animation, so I need to select some of these animations, and my animation is split. It's split into inside of the pictures, but I want to opposite, so I need to go to Effect Options and select Vertical Out. That's it. That was my animation. Okay, now go to Animation pane, click on the arrow and go to Timing. You see we have Triggers button under Timing tab. Click on the Triggers button. It is selected Animate as part of click sequence by default. It is the casual animation. The trigger is my mouse click, but I want to set another trigger, so go to second choice. And when I click on the Dropbox, I see all items I have in the slide. All my pictures are in order, picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. So my related picture is picture 4. Check it from the animation pane, you see. This is my picture 4. So I select the picture 4. I aim setting a trigger to picture 4 to start its own animation. And there is one more option which is unable to select. It is only used for sounds and videos. Skip that option for now, so click OK, and that's OK now. I need to go to slideshow now, and when I click on my picture, it starts its own animation. The trigger is clicking on the related picture, and it is working. I can do the same thing for the other pictures, but let's create more useful slide. Go into second slide. We have one icon and one shape in this slide. Let's give an entrance effect to the shape. I first select my shape, then go to Animation, Quick Access Bar, and selecting the wipe, and go to Effect Options also, and I want to select from left. So you see, the animation starts with my mouse click, but I want to change it. When you add any animation, the trigger button is getting active. Click trigger and select the icon. So I want to trigger my animation, clicking on my icon. Let's go to slideshow again. You see my shape is not on the screen because it has an entrance effect, and the animation has a trigger and it is clicking on the icon. Let's click my icon and you see. When I click on the icon, the animation is triggered. That's cool. I hope you liked the trigger option. Thank you for joining me in this class.